Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to Day 6 of the Web Development Roadmap 2026. Today we're tackling a crucial question. Which frameworks should you learn first, and which ones can you skip? There are dozens of frameworks out there. Trying to learn all of them is one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. It leads to burnout and surface-level knowledge. For front-end development, you should start by focusing on one major framework. In 2026, React is still the safest choice for beginners. React has a huge ecosystem, strong job demand, and powers other important tools like Next.js. Learn React fundamentals before anything else. Once you have a solid understanding of React, there's a natural and practical upgrade that modern applications rely on. That natural next step is Next.js. It's built on top of React and is used for many modern production applications. Next.js adds crucial features like efficient routing, performance optimizations, and server-side rendering, which is vital for modern web scaling. Now let's move on to the backend. Just like the front end, you only need one main framework to start with. Your choice of backend framework should be based on your preferred language and career goals. Consider ASP.NET Core for enterprise, Django for Python lovers, or Laravel for modern PHP. Now let's talk about avoiding the distractions and what you should skip, at least initially. Beginners often jump into too many frameworks simultaneously. Specifically, avoid learning multiple major front-end frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue all at once. Remember that depth of knowledge is far more valuable than breadth in the early stages. Also, avoid niche or outdated frameworks that won't give you strong foundational skills. The most important insight is this. Frameworks are tools that change, but the core development skills remain constant. Focus on understanding core concepts like components, state, APIs, authentication, and database interaction. These matter far more than the specific framework syntax. Once you know one framework and its underlying concepts well, learning a second, third, or fourth framework becomes exponentially easier and much quicker. So what's our final recommendation for starting your web development journey? Our recommendation is simple. Learn one front-end framework deeply and one back-end framework concept. Focus on mastering those two tools. The best way to solidify your skills is to focus intensely on building real-world projects. That's how real developers gain experience and grow. That wraps up our discussion on choosing the right frameworks to start with. Tune in tomorrow for more. At Skill Bakery, we design focused learning paths that teach the right frameworks in the right order. Visit skillbakery.com to learn smarter.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.